All right, Scotty. Damn, you got...
Finally. I mean, I got to tighten everything up.
Yep.
Because we're getting ready to stop for lunch, but...
We'll align it here.
Let me get some light on in here.
Beautiful.
Painted, done. Painted, done. I just got to put the... There we go.
Yep, and lock nut.
Put the lock nuts in,
Grease
well,
everything.
castle nuts, get everything greased. I have absolutely everything scrubbed, cleaned, painted, adjusted. This is going to be the easiest steering ever.
It's going to be perfect. I think he's going to enjoy it.
This has been a nightmare. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not complaining about having to work on the car. I'm not, because I love the car already. I truly do.
Just cleaning everything was
Just
kind of
scrubbing.
a pain.
I mean, it took me an hour and a half to get this, the center link,
Clean.
enough so that I could actually start getting it ready to go for you to rebuild.
And it's nice and clean.
But
and
damn,
it's rebuilt.
I mean, it came out. There it is.
And you got to just pack the other hub and the bearings for the other side and be done with it.
Yeah.
And then the front end is done. Grease everything.
Yep.
And then we'll
I can
align
put
it
the
when
wheel.
it goes
Well,
on
we
the
just
wall.
got to get the.
Crush washers for the
Yep.
brakes. Those were delivered today. They got delivered to my house, though.
Okay, so I can do those tomorrow morning,
Well,
which means I
we'll
can
do
finish
them tomorrow
off.
afternoon because we got to
Yeah.
go to Tom's first.
Because I'll do this line, and then I can put this wheel on.
Well, we got to
Actually
bleed
put-
everything, so let's just bleed everything, and we'll put the wheels on. And then we'll be done because we'll lower it down. We'll put the master on
Yeah.
and be good to go.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait.
That'll be done.
I mean, this has gotten a lot of work done.
Yep, we're waiting
I
on
mean-
our motor mounts. What else are we waiting for? Oh, parking brake cables,
Yeah.
motor mounts. And then we're ready.
But all I really have left to do is tighten, put cotter pins in, and all the steering components will be done in full.
Nice.
It'll be nice.
Finished.
It will. It'll be nice.
Be pretty. Nice and
Maybe we can
comfortable.
get the owner to come down and take a peek.
Ooh, yeah, John. If you gonna be in the neighborhood,
Yeah, stop
maybe
by.
come by.
I mean, this way, before we get it down on all four wheels, you can actually
Yeah.
get under here and see in person.
Yeah, how crazy.
Granted,
we've
I
been.
know it's all about me. It's all about me.
Yeah. Okay, we're sure.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
But this way you can kind of see for yourself, and
See how much has been going on in here.
yeah, because it's different from video to in person. I mean, it really is.
You're talking about your OnlyFans, or?
Well,
Oh boy! All
gotta
right.
have
Anyway.
the fan blowing through my hair.
Oh my god! All right. So anyway, we're gonna grease it, get it handled, and away we go.